adventure seekers, May 30th already. Another month seriously down. About time for summer. Sparky has been chomping at the bit to get out with me, so might as well come out down here to Ocean Park. Cool little place, dog friendly. Plenty of squirrels, hopefully some birds. A little sightseeing, a little hiking. Check it out. Alright, stay tuned. Give me close-up pictures of some wild animals. Ocean Park. Alright, adventure seekers. Ocean Park. This place is pretty nice, but very lightly used, especially on the weekdays. A little place for the kids to play. Picnic tables, barbecue facilities. Pretty scenic around here. Pretty quiet. Not too many people make it this far out of town. So come on down if you ever want to do a little picnic action. Bring the kiddos. Bring your lunch. Spend the day. Nice clean facilities. Alright, stay tuned. Find some animals. What do you think, Sparky? What do you think? What do you think? Adventure seekers, we found all the birds right past the beach closed signs. No entry allowed, dogs nor humans. That's where all the birds are, over there. Gotta be a way to get there. That gentleman's over there. Gotta be a way. We shall find it. Stay tuned.